Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Verma. Today we are going to make program to calculate sum of two numbers in Python using spider. So first of all we are writing the comment by hash. Hash means for the comment. Program to calculate sum of two numbers. Now we are taking the first number a equal to 10. So in the memory one variable is created whose name is a and the value we are giving is 10. In Python data type is not required. This 10 is of integer type, so automatically this variable a will have the integer data type. Taking another variable b equal to 20. In the memory, one more variable is created whose name is b and the value is 20. Now we are writing c, this is another variable equal to a plus b. So it will contain the sum of a and b. So one more variable is created in the memory whose name is c. And it is having the sum of a and b means 10 and 20 which is 30. Now we are going to display this sum by writing print in the bracket name of variable, that is c. Going to execute the program. Here we can see that the output is 30. What is this 30? So we are writing some comment that in double quotes sum is with the comma as concatenation. Now executing the program, we can see that sum is 30. Whatever we write in the quotes, that will come as it is, and comma is for concatenation with the value of variable. So sum is 30. We can also take the value of a and b from user. So for this we are updating, we are removing this 10 and we are writing input. This is for taking the input from user. Similarly, for variable b, we are writing input. Now executing it, here we are writing, let's say 10 and 20. We can see that sum is 1020, but it must be 30. This is because in the Python when we are taking the input from the user, they are by default string. So it is combining 10 and 20 as a string. So we need to convert this string to integer. So that's why we are typecasting to integer by writing int. So start with the bracket and add the end. So whatever the input we are taking, that will be converted to integer and will be stored to a. In the similar manner, for the b, we are writing int and at the end, close the bracket. So second variable input will be converted to integer and going to b. Again we are running this program. So here we are writing, let's say 10 and 20. So output is 30. To make it more user friendly, we need to give some comments. Just like in the first input, we should ask user to enter the number. So here we are writing enter first number. And similarly for the b, we must write enter second number. Now we are going to execute the program. So here it is asking enter first number. We are writing 10 and this 10 is converted to integer and stored to a. Then enter second number, let's say 20. So this 20 is converted to integer and stored to b. And then the sum is calculated and the sum is 30. So that's all for today. Thank you.